what's up guys, y bienvenidos a mi canal, and if you're new, hello, welcome. I mainly do reviews and unboxings of handbags, so if you're into that kind of thing, then you're gonna love my channel. So I invite you to hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you can get notified when I upload. Now finally guys, I have an unboxing of a handbag. Now I'm a little worried because the package, look, it's already damaged, and from what I could tell, they didn't put it in another box, they just threw it in there, so I'm a little scared how I'm gonna receive the bag, but I'm praying and hoping it'll be fine. Now this is a Tory Burch unboxing. I love Tory Burch. Tory Burch is definitely my favorite contemporary designer. And I do have already quite a few pieces from Tory Burch. So I already know it's great quality. Dun, dun, dun. Jesus, could this box be any more damaged? Look at that. God, I just hope the bag is not damaged. Okay. I picked up this beautiful, oh okay, looks like it's so far so good. But I ended up picking up the Tory Burch Soft Fleming bag in the small size, which I picked it up from Bloomingdales. Bloomingdales also had a promotion where you spend a certain amount and you get a gift card. So not only did I catch it on sale, I got an extra 15% off because I'm subscribed to the email list. I'll get a coupon every now and then that I could use. So I just ended up paying a total of $331 with my taxes already included, and I got a $50 gift card that I do plan on using later on. So now let's get to opening this. Okay, I was so worried that it was gonna be a used bag or a bag without any tissue, because usually those are returned or they're floor samples. So let's see how this one is. My God, oh my goodness, it's so freaking cute. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Everything so far looks good. The leather does look a little wrinkly here, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. This really reminds me of the YSL Lulu bag in the small size. Like the size of it, look, or even those small puffer bags, the new YSL bags. Oh, it's a little dirty right here. I don't know if you can see that. So hopefully that'll wipe off. Okay, there, it wiped off. Okay, let's open this up. How do you open this? How the heck do you open this? It's not a... Okay, I see. It's a push closure. Uh-oh, everything's falling everywhere. Okay. It has a little protective sleeve on here. Okay, I won't take that off quite yet. God, it's so pretty. I'm so glad I pulled the trigger. I had seen these soft Flemings for a while now, and I knew I had to get my hands on one. I just wasn't sure what color to get. I already had a lot of black ones, so although I was tempted to go for the black one, your girl already owns too many black purses. And I don't own a white one. I actually do, but it's a Coach one that I have not used in years, which I do plan on selling in the future. But other than that, I don't own another white bag, so I'm glad I ended up going for this color. It's such a beautiful color, guys. So let me show you what it retails for. This bag retails for $478. Here is the SKU number so you could get the exact model number. The color is called New Ivory. And this is the Fleming Small Convertible Shoulder Bag. So, if you're interested in that, pick that up. Make sure you don't get the sizes confused because not everywhere do they carry the small size. I believe Bloomingdales and Nordstrom carry the smaller size. I'm not sure if I've seen it in other sites. But not even Tory Burch carries the smaller size, if I'm not mistaken. I only seen their bigger sizes. And I believe those maybe run for $4.98, I think. I'm not sure. But like I said, the color is definitely like an off-white, creamy color. Not a beige at all, but more of an off-white color for sure. So beautiful. So, well, maybe you can see with my nails. My nails are white, stark white. And the bag, if you can see, there's a slightly difference in the color. So yeah, maybe that's a good comparison right there. Oh, it's so stinking cute, guys. I cannot get over how cute this bag is. And it's the perfect size for me because I own the original Fleming bag and the regular big size. And that is too big for me. I'm not into big bags anymore. I've been on a small bag kick. Okay. Here is their beautiful Tory Burch bag. Okay. Inside here. So inside here, oh, so stinking cute. Okay, I need to stop saying that. Inside here, there's one slip pocket here. It has a center divider. That's one zipper pocket in the middle that divides these two compartments. And on the other side, so inside here, see that? There we go. To push it down almost. So inside you have your other slip pocket. It's a zippered pocket right there. So I can tell you on this side it's a little bit a tighter squeeze than over here. You have more room than if you were to put stuff on this side. Just because it's a tighter squeeze because of the opening of the flap. So behind the bag there is no slip pocket. I almost wish there was a slip pocket just so it could be easier to slip my phone in there, but it's fine. Like I said, I did notice that the leather's a little bit more wrinkled on this side. Hopefully that'll go away once I have it out properly stored, not how just they threw it in that box. But I'm not sure if you can even tell. Probably not, but I can see a little bit of the wrinkling of the leather, and this is real leather, so I mean it's gonna happen, right? Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. If you were thinking of going either between this Fleming or the OG Fleming, I'm already gonna tell you, even though I've barely unboxed this, I would go with a soft Fleming. It just looks so much nicer and it feels so nice. I will say the chain, the weight of this chain is very light. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it almost feels a little bit lighter than my original Fleming. I will pull it out in a second just to compare the two. And this gold looks a little bit more of a brassier gold, not so much of a yellow gold. You can see the leather woven between the chain. I love that. One other thing I noticed was in the straps, how badly they look on the back of the handle. See, this is the front. It looks nice in the front, but bam! Turn it around, pretty bad. But I mean, you're not gonna be showing the back of it, so whenever you just pull it through, you're gonna want to make sure that the front is facing forward, not so much the back, because that looks pretty horrible. That's probably my only two complaints so far. Is the chain doesn't feel very heavy, which, like I said, could be good or bad, because then your bag won't feel so heavy, so I guess that would be the good thing. There is a snap lock closure. There we go. That is so nice too. The original Fleming is it's just magnetic. You just open it, close it. I'm not sure if you don't have much in your bag, it might be a little bit harder to close it, but wow, it feels nice. Let me show you what that looks like. Look at that. And the snap closure. You just hit that little button and it'll pop it open. And boom. So beautiful. So this bag measures 6 inches in height, 9.6 inches across, and it has a 3.5 inch depth. So that are your measurements. And as far for the strap, it has a 12 to 23 inch drop. You have your embossed Tory Burch logo on top of the bag. I always love this about the Flemings. So beautifully done. Look at that. So beautiful. With fabric lining inside your bag. So all inside is fabric, except once obviously you get up here. Leather. Has a little piece of leather on this middle compartment right here. The rest is fabric. I'm just scared of getting color transfer on the bag. I don't really wear jeans, so I won't have to worry about that, but I just don't want it to get easily dirty. And if it does, hopefully it'll be easily wipeable. Now let me show you what this looks like on me. Now I'm 5'2", and obviously on the thicker side, if that's what we want to call it. And there's several ways you could wear this handbag. You could wear it just, you know, on your shoulder, one strap, or you could double strap it and wear it as a shoulder bag like this. So you could wear it as a shoulder bag with double straps, or you could wear this crossbody Now I have pretty large chest, so if you have smaller boobs, it'll probably come down a little bit lower on you. I'm a triple D, so that's the only thing about crossbody. You always have to hope that the chain is long enough so it won't look like it's sitting in an awkward position. But right here it hits me right on my hip, which looks fine. Just fine, I will say. That'll work out pretty good. That's what that looks like. Dun, dun, dun. Most likely, well, yeah, I would probably be wearing a crossbody or just on the shoulder with one strap. Here's a quick size difference between the soft Fleming and the regular Fleming. It's obviously, this is the smaller size. The bigger one, I'm thinking it's going to be about the same size of the large Fleming. Let me do a side. Here's the side. To see the size difference. And because this is more of a squishy, it's not as structured as this one, you'll still be able to fit a lot in it. Now for size reference, here is the YSL Toy Lulu bag. It's a lot. What is this? Okay, almost freaked out there. Okay, here's big difference, alright? It's a lot smaller. This is the toy Lulu. I'm not sure if the small Lulu is a little bit, it's the same size as that. I'm not sure, I've never seen it in person. But when I was talking about the interior of the Tory Burch, it's very similar to the interior of the Lulu bag. Has a middle compartment that divides the other compartments, a zipper, and a slip pocket. So it's very similar. So if you've been wanting the YSL Lulu, this Tory Burch Soft Fleming in the smaller size is a pretty good dupe. Pretty similar design wise in the inside, but as you have, they have the gussets folded in here. Same thing with the toy Lulu. Now I just want to quickly show you what you could potentially fit in this bag. I have my Tory Burch Kira bag, which I have a video on. I'll link that. Here's my 6-ring key holder. I will stick that in there. Then I have lotion, hand sanitizer. I'll stick that. Let me try to find a better way to show you. Okay, I'll stick that back there. Mind you, I'm not really organizing. It's hard to get this on camera and stick it in there. I have a hand sanitizer. That'll fit back there. Here's a bigger bottle of hand sanitizer. That fits right there. And if you can tell, there's still room in here. Let me put in some, so you have that much room. You have the zippered compartment. Let me see my phone. Put that one. Move this real quick. I'll put my phone back there. Fits perfectly. Hand sanitizer, the bigger one. So I already had 2 hand sanitizers in there. Have my wallet, lotion, my keys. So it holds a lot. And I'm just gonna put some sunglasses in there. Just, whoa, don't want them getting scratched, and here I am throwing them. Okay, I'm just gonna set them. So much. Okay. Okay, I would just set them on top. Let's just see if that'll close. And yes, all that would close. So let me see how it feels. That doesn't feel too bad actually. It feels pretty good. So yeah, it can hold a lot. It's a small bag. Not as small as the Toy Lulu, but it's a smaller bag. And it packs a punch. So I'm really glad I made this purchase. Right now Bloomingdale's has their friends and family sale, and it's currently at 25% off. So if you want to purchase it, go ahead and take advantage of the sale. It's a beautiful bag. And I will hopefully add another color to my collection. And of course the smaller size, because I don't really like the look of the bigger one. It looks a little bit different. Although they're the same design, they definitely have completely different looks to them. So if you're thinking, if you're debating between the old Fleming or the new Fleming, go for the soft Fleming. It's a lot prettier. If you need bigger space, hey, then go for the larger soft Fleming. But check it out. It's a beautiful bag. And yeah, that's all I have to say for this video, guys. Hopefully I'll have a review on this bag in the future. I'm pretty sure I will. But for now, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I always get back to you. And I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there during these crazy times. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.